Hello friends, welcome to BFSC Fisheries online class. In yesterday class we studied about the lake and how it is formed. Today we will be studying the classification and we will be knowing that what are the largest and the lowest lake and deepest also longest and all we will see today because it is important for exam point of view. So let's begin with the topic that is lake classification. First is according to the size, means like we are taking the area basis like 49,600 kilometers square. World largest freshwater lake is Lake Superior and the area is given, so it is according to the size. And the second one is of Africa, Lake Chad. It is of 64,000 kilometers square in wet season because lakes can be classified as fresh water, can be brackish water, can be saline or can be artificial lake, that is man-made created. So on the basis of freshwater lake it is Lake Superior. Here Lake Chad is wet season area is given and in dry season some other changes occur in the lake. आज हम लोग क्लासिफिकेशन देख रहे हैं. सबसे पहले वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक की बात की गई है क्योंकि लेक को फ्रेश वाटर, ब्रैकिश वाटर या फ्रेश वाटर, ब्रैकिश वाटर बोथ और सलाइन या आर्टिफिशियल लेक में क्लासिफाई करते हैं. तो उसके बेसिस पे लेक सुपीरियर जिसका एरिया 49,600 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है वो वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट लेक है. वेट सीजन और ड्राई सीजन में लेक छाट का एरिया डिफरेंस आ जाता है, इसलिए उसको एरिया के बेसिस पे वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट नहीं रखा गया. लेक शार्ट वेट सीजन में 64,000 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर का होता है. इंडिया की बात करें, अगर सिर्फ इंडिया की, वहाँ वर्ल्ड की बात हो रही थी, तो लेक लोकटक लेक दैट इज़ world largest freshwater lake. It is situated in Manipur and the area is 287 kilometers square and the depth is 4.9 meter. And the world largest freshwater lake is Wular Lake. Wular Lake is also a world largest lake, but we can say that the area and the depth can differ in both. Here something is missing. Here area will be 260 kilometers square and the depth will be 14 meter. So we can say that on the basis of depth Wular Lake is the largest freshwater lake and on the basis of area it is Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake area will be highest in Loktak Lake that is situated in Manipur, whereas the Wular Lake is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. So it is the difference here. We can say the first image is showing about it is Loktak Lake. So first one is Loktak Lake and the second image is of Wular Lake. यहाँ लॉकटक लेक और वुलर लेक की बात करें जो इंडिया में पाए जाते हैं. वुलर लेक फ्रेश वाटर लेक है, लेकिन अगर डेप्थ की बात करें तो वुलर लेक लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक है डेप्थ के बेसिस पे क्योंकि उसका डेप्थ 14 मीटर है. वहीं अगर एरिया की बात करें तो लॉकटक लेक 287 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर का है और लॉकटक लेक को लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक एरिया के बेसिस पे कहा जाता है. When we are talking for the deepest lake in India, इंडिया में डीपेस्ट लेक है लेक बैकाल दैट इज 20% ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर एंड द मैक्सिमम डेप्थ हियर इज 1620 यानी 1620 मीटर. फॉर नॉर्थ अमेरिका द क्रेटर लेक इट इज मिसिंग है. क्रेटर लेक विल बी 608 मीटर एंड द लेक सुपीरियर आर ऑल्सो देयर. So here is the difference here. On the basis of depth, lakes vary in depth, but it cannot go beyond the depth of ocean because lakes are always shallow. So it is not more deep, and hence here the Crater Lake in Oregon is 608 meter. Where the Crater Lake is in North America, and the other one was Lake Superior. It is of 393 meter. Here it is 393 meter Lake Superior. So it was on the basis of depth. If we are talking the fresh water, we talked about fresh water in before slide, and it is the brackish water lake. So classification, we are moving by the classification basis. The brackish water lake, first one is the Vembanan Lake, which is situated in Kerala, and it is fresh water and brackish water both. and the area is 2033 kilometers square and the depth is 12 meter. So if someone asks that on the basis of freshwater and brackish water lake, the largest lake is the Vembanan lake and area is 2033 kilometer. And if only we are talking for the brackish water, so brackish water area will be 1165 kilometer square, depth will be 4.2 meter, and it is Chilika lake which is situated in Orissa. And the third one is Andhra Pradesh में Purikat lake and it is 450 kilometer square and the depth is 10 meter. सो अगर हम लोग ब्रैकिश वाटर लेक की बात करें तो फ्रेश वाटर और ब्रैकिश वाटर दोनों लेक है वेम्बनाड लेक, और ये सबसे लार्जेस्ट लेक है केरला में जिसका एरिया है 2033 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. सिर्फ ब्रैकिश वाटर लेक का अगर क्वेश्चन आए तो वो चिलिका लेक है जिसका एरिया 1165 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है. और अगर आंध्र प्रदेश की बात करें तो उसमें लार्जेस्ट पुलिकत लेक है. सो ये तो हुई बेसिस ऑफ एरिया. Artificial or freshwater lake are those lake which is man-made created. So if we are talking for the largest and the lowest lake, first is Shivaji Sagar Lake. It is also known as Shiv Sagar Lake and it is in Maharashtra. It is artificial and freshwater lake and it is because of damming on the Koyna river and the area is 291.7 kilometers square. The second largest is Indira Sagar Lake and the area is 627 kilometers square and it is in Narmada river. So it is the second largest power source in the country and provide the surrounding villages with water for irrigation. So it is the artificial and the freshwater lake about. तो शिवाजी सागर या शिव सागर लेक जो कि महाराष्ट्र में है, कोयना रिवर के डैम होने से ये बना और इसका एरिया 291 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर था. इंदिरा सागर लेक उसका एरिया उससे कम है शिव सागर लेक से, ये है 627 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, मध्य प्रदेश में है और नर्मदा नदी पे है. और ये लार्जेस्ट पावर सोर्स भी है कंट्री के लिए जिसमें विलेजेस को इरिगेशन के लिए वाटर प्रोवाइड करते हैं. थर्ड इज सरदार सरोवर लेक, इट इज़ अलॉन्ग द रिवर नर्मदा. And the fourth is Nagarjuna Sagar Lake which is in Telangana and it is 285 kilometer square. So if someone asks for the artificial and freshwater lake, the answer will be Shiv Sagar Lake or Shivaji Sagar Lake. For saline lake, that is only most of it is saline, so it is saline lake. The first is the Pangong Lake and it is in Ladakh and it is 700 kilometers square. So it was all about the freshwater, brackish water, freshwater, brackish water, both artificial lake or freshwater lake which was man-made created, and the last one was saline lake, that is Pangong Lake which is in Ladakh. The image was showing off. This is Pangong Lake, Pangong Tong it is also known as. The largest by continent. If we are talking for the continent, then in Australia, Lake Eyre, it is a salt lake and it is the largest by continent. If we are in Africa, if we are talking about Africa, Lake Victoria, it is the third freshwater lake on earth. And the next is the Antarctica, Lake Vostok, it is largest lake in Antarctica. And in Asia, if we are talking, then Lake Baikal, it is in Asia, that is largest lake. Oceania, in Oceania, Lake Eyre is the largest by continent. And in North America, Lake Michigan in Huron. Huron is a place, I think, and it is Lake Michigan in North America. It is the largest by continent. So here I have for the remembering purpose, I have collected all the data so that it can be helpful for you all in the exam point of view. For the world, if we are talking, then by surface area, the largest lake is Michigan Huron and the coastline is 8,790 kilometers. World largest geological ocean is Caspian Sea and the deepest lake is Lake Baikal. If we talk about the longest lake, Lake Tanganyika, it is the longest lake and the highest lake is Crater Lake. So somewhere it all used to ask that what are the deepest lake, the longest lake, highest lake. So Crater Lake of Ojos del Salado, it is the highest lake. We can remember all it like deepest Baikal. We always used to say that Baikal, it is like a ghost like story, so we can say that it is deep in earth present. So we can remember it by Lake Baikal. So deepest, longest is Tanganyika, it is the longest lake. For higher, Crater, so it we can remember by Crater Lake, so it is highest lake. Highest, largest freshwater lake, it is Mansarovar Lake. We are here talking for the world, not India. In India we have already seen what was the largest and the deepest lake, and the world highest commercially navigable lake is Lake Titicaca, and it is the highest commercially navigable lake. Lowest lake, if we talk, then Dead Sea are the lowest lake, and longest for the coastline longest will be 2980 kilometer, and it is Lake Huron. Largest island in freshwater lake, it is Manitoulin Island, it is the largest island in freshwater lake. So I have compiled all the thing like what are the deepest lake, the largest lake on the basis of depth, area. We all see it right now, and also on earth, means if we talk about the world, then I have compiled it for the world also, and for India individually I have compiled. So thanks for watching, and if you want more lecture for this, like if we want the thermal classification of lake or the famous lake of India and all, you can comment me on the comment section. And thanks for watching, and if you like this channel, then please do like and subscribe.